Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change 2015 Nissan Sentra cabin air filter. Open the glove box, squeeze the sides to release the stops, and lower it fully. Remove the plastic side panel by unhooking its tabs to reveal the filter compartment. Slide out the old filter slowly to avoid spilling debris and inspect the housing for leaves or dirt before inserting the new filter. Start by lowering the glove box and removing the plastic access cover that hides the filter. With a flashlight, inspect and note the airflow arrow on the old filter for correct orientation. Grasp the filter firmly and pull it straight out, taking care not to spill trapped leaves or dust into the duct. Use a vacuum with a narrow attachment to clean the housing before placing the new filter in. Check the new filter's airflow arrow and position it toward the cabin before sliding it into the housing. Push the filter fully into place so it seats evenly, then reattach the plastic cover until all tabs click. Raise the glove box and test its movement to ensure no binding or loose parts remain. Dispose of the old filter responsibly and wash your hands after handling debris and dust from the cabin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.